name is Daniel, and today we're going to see which is the best corn dog from these places. So the first one is Korean style potato corn dogs. The second one is corn cheese grilled cheesecake. Well, rice. And then the third one is Moz cheddar and fish cake corn dog. So let's see which one is the best. And right now we're gonna start with this one. Korean style potato corn dog. Man, this looks so good. Now it's my turn. How much minutes is it? Dang, this smells so good. I just want to eat it right now. So, let's eat it. Oh man, look at the cheese. Oh! Yeah! So good. Cut Moz cheddar and fish cake corn dog. Now let's try it. Okay, so now I'm eating it. But not good as before. Now we're gonna eat corn cheese grilled rice. Okay, let's see how much more. I'm gonna microwave for 1 minute, like the others. Now it's starting. And so on the second one there were Moz cheese and cheddar, and there's also some kind of fish cake. And then this one there's corn and cheese and rice. I think the first one is the best because it's kind of like French fries and dips, and it has a lot of cheese and stretchy